Hello, I'm Chien and welcome to the DNN platform ED open source .NET CMS. And today is the day 4. I'm going to show you how to create a new page, edit the content, and then we make it displaying on the website for everyone to see. Okay, so now let's get started. This one is the dashboard of the website we are working on. Okay, so here I will click on the menu on the left hand and open the pages here. So here it will display all of the pages in the website. And now I will go ahead to create a new page. Okay, add the page on the top, and then I will name it. So this one I will name it either introduction page. Okay. The title it should be introduction to. Decoration. This is okay. The keyword intro. Tag. Okay, I will leave it for now. The parent page. Okay, so here if the introduction I think for introduction it should be the same thing, the same level with the home page. So here I will give it here. In case the introduction is the try of the home page, you should select the parent page is home. Otherwise, leave it by default and none specified. Okay, the template here. For now, we only have the default template, and if you are develop a new template, so it will be listed down here, so you can select the template for this page. I will leave it by default for now. We have another option display in the menus. So, okay, I will open this one in another browser instance here. Okay, here. This one is the navigation of the website. So, if you select it display in menu is on. That means it will display in the navigation of the site. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Click on add button. Yeah. Here. After that, you can see here because you are logged in with the super user account, so you can see everything here in the dashboard page. We have the menu home, the introduction. Click on home, introduction. Okay, here. So now I will try to open it in the anonymous browser. Refresh here. So here you can see we only able to see the home page and the introduction page is not displaying here. I will back to the admin page and see what happened. Okay, so here the introduction page, I will click on the pencil icon here. I have page setting. Okay, let's see in the detail tab here. This is the detail we have just created in the home in the first, and now I will open the permission tab. Okay, so here you can see the permission by role, and it is using the filter global role. So here we have the administrator. They have the permission to view and edit the content of the web of that page. And here for all user, it contains the registered and the anonymous user. So here, if you select this one in checkbox show and click on save button, and you come back to this instance of the browser and try to refresh this here. After that, you can see the instruction. So here, because you have just grant the permission for anonymous user to see, so the anonymous user can see the new page created. Okay, click on this one. Okay, after you click on this one, it will direct you to the introduction page here. And for now, we have the content of this page is blank. Okay, so now we have finished to create a new page and make it display on the navigation menu. And now I will back to the admin page and try to edit the content of this page. Okay, I open the introduction. Cool. So here I close this one and click on introduction. You see here we have it have select the message is select edit content from the edit pencil icon action menu. I click on this one and I edit the content. Yeah. So after that, it will open an editor. What is you see what you get, which allow you to enter the content for this page. Okay. So here, before we go into add new the content for this page, I will take a look into the blank page first. Here, you can see we have some the section. I mean the layout. Yeah. So for now we are using the default template. So it is the default. It is the template of the home page. Yes. That means when you take a look into this one, it should be look like the same thing layout of the home page. And now I will go ahead to add the content for the first layout on the top. Click on I hover to the pencil icon, and after that I click on edit content here. So same thing, it will back to the what you see what you add editor, and here you can enter the content in the box here. Okay, make it bigger. It have some the text editor, the basic box here. So here we should select the text editor as default option. Okay, so here I will copy some content on the internet. I will try to search program. Okay, I will copy this one. I will open sort. You can enter it directly here. Yeah. Because when you enter it here, so it will keep the styling from this website. So that's why I switch it to the short view. It when you paste the text in the short view here, it will paste the plain text. Okay, save it. Cool. So I will edit this one if we need. Okay, cool. So now here the setting. We can import and export the content from another resources. Setting. Yeah. I will talk it about later. And now you close this one. Yeah. And back to the anonymous browser. Yeah. So here you can see the new content has been added into this into the zip page. Cool. Introduction. Okay, so here on introduction page, click on the pencil icon. We have some the feature add modules. We can add the HTML, trap it here, add module HTML here. HTML. Okay, and after that you can continue to edit the content of the module here. You have just added. So hover to the pencil and edit content. Do the same thing. Okay, I will copy another thing here. Copy this one. Save it. I will keep the current format. Okay, save it. Okay, so now here, back to this one, refresh this. Okay, so I will make this one bigger. You can enter the image link or you can upload it. Okay, I will select it and upload. Okay, make it smaller. Per review, save it. Cool. Make it better. Close this. Okay, cool. And now back to the anonymous browser here. So here you can see we have the instruction on the top. We have the image had been added here, and we have some the text. Okay, look good. Okay, I will go ahead to remove some the default text add content. Click on this one. I can edit inline here. It is supported by default. Cool. Refresh. Okay, so the add content text had been disappear. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to create a new page in the DNN9, and after that, you know how to add the content into the page and make it display on the website. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.